Hey guys, this is your little princess, Amira. What a miracle! Wait, it's my first birthday already? Yes. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Yay! But wait, before my first year here on Earth, what's my journey and the journey of my parents? It was started with a love between my dad Aljan and my mama Ingrid that led to the altar. March 2024 when they got married. And just a few months after, November 2024, the biggest surprise happened. A normal pregnancy test in the morning for my mama for her health condition. And she was shocked. Nagising siya bigla to see 2 lines in her PT. She repeated it again and again and again. And with 8 times PT, it was confirmed. The joy in the hearts of my parents was overflowing. It was not expected because there should be a treatment for my mama's PCOS yet. After checking with the OB and Trans B, I'm real! So much process happened before I was born. Grabe, struggle is real talaga. Lalo na kay mama. Check-up after check-up and after check-up. My mama was diagnosed with GSM, kaya diet to the max si mama. Checking always sugar, nagpa-gender bill pa ka with the ugang. But as dada and mama wish, it's a girl. The most awaited part, here I come! July 15, Mama was admitted unexpectedly. The longest 24 hours for Mama because of the painful labor, pero kinapos pa din. Isang CM na lang, normal delivery na ako. Kaso, hanggang 9 CM lang talaga. Kaya, hello, emergency CS! You know what? My papa was praying na hindi ako mapanganak ng July 15 dahil gusto niya sana ay July 16. The Feast of Mount Carmel, one of his favorite image of Mama Mary. It was the first time na nakita ko at nahag ka ni Dada. Full of joy siya doon. Meanwhile, my mama is conscious while I was unboxing and gaining strength. But the joy is still in her face. I love you, Mama! Of course! The question of many, sino ang kamukha ko? May Dada's baby pig, may Mama baby pig. Kaya napahumusga. But still, I am beautiful, Mira. More moments with Dada and Mama. Extended and paternity leave dahil laging suspended ang klase. Eating, eating, eating. Yum, yum. Sometimes cry, cry, dance, laughter, full of love. 7 with Mama. I love you, Mama and Dada. Best parents ever. Mwah!
Happy first birthday, Amira. Amira Koy. Amira Koy. May Amiracle. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko sisimulan ang mensaheng ito dahil sa sobrang dami ng nararamdaman ko ngayon. 1 taon na ang nakalipas mula nung dumating ka sa buhay namin. Pero hanggang ngayon, parang kahapon lang nung una kitang nakita at unang beses kitang nahawakan. Amira, ikaw ang pinakamagandang regalo na ipinagkaloob sa amin ng Diyos. Simula nang dumating ka, nagkaroon ng bagong kulay ang buhay namin. Tinuruan mo akong magmahal ng higit pa sa kaya kong isipin. Magmahal ng walang kondisyon at maging mas matatag kaysa dati. Bilang isang first-time mom, hindi naging madali ang journey ko. May mga araw na pagod ako. May mga araw na nag-aalala ako kung tama ba ang ginagawa ko para sa'yo. Maraming bagay ang natutunan ko habang lumalaki ka. Natutunan kong maging patient, maging mas mapagmahal at higit sa lahat, natutunan kong ang pagiging mami ay isang blessing na hindi matutumbasan ng kahit ano. Naaalala ko pa yung mga unang araw natin na ikaw ay maliit na maliit pa. Yung mga puyat, pagpapadede, paghele, pag-aalaga, at bawat maliit mong milestone. Bawat unang ngiti mo, unang tawa, unang upo, unang pagtayo, at bawat bagong bagay na natutunan mo ay naging espesyal na alaala para sa amin. Baby Koy, sana alam mo kung gaano ka namin kamahal. Kahit hindi pa ngayon, naiintindihan ng munting puso mo ang lahat ng ito. Sana paglaki mo, maramdaman mo na mula pa noong una, ikaw na ang naging pinakamahalagang bahagi ng buhay namin. Salamat anak, dahil pinili kami ng Diyos bilang mami at daddy mo. Salamat sa saya na dala mo sa amin, sa mga ngiti mong nagpapawala ng pagod namin, at sa pagmamahal na hindi namin alam na kaya naming maramdaman. Sa unang taon mo, marami kang natutunan, pero gusto kong malaman mo na mas marami akong natutunan mula sa'yo. You made me a mother, Amira. At iyon ang pinakamagandang role na natanggap ko sa buong buhay ko. Dalangin ko na lumaki kang malusog, mabait, matapang, at may puso na puno ng pagmamahal. Naway gabayan ka palagi ng Panginoon at samahan ka niya sa bawat hakbang ng iyong buhay. Happy first birthday, Amira Koy! Mahal na mahal kita. You are my answered prayer, my greatest blessing, and forever my little Amiracle. I love you more than words can ever explain. Ipapanalo kita. Love, Mama.
Amira Kuy, happy first birthday! Finish ko talaga tong video na to collate and save all the best shots and memories we have in your early months. Sana ay mapanood mo ito kapag nagkamuang ka na. Psalm 77:14. You are the God who performs miracles. You display your power among the peoples. Thank you, Lord, for this a miracle. All of your smile, laughter, sourness, and kulitness. Ikaw ang nagbibigyan ng lakas sa akin. Pag uuwi ako ng bahay, I am always so excited. Lambingin ka. You're so adorable smiles. Make all my pagod go away. Kaya ni mama mo ang purpose ng buhay ko. Ang number one priority ko. Ang kukompleto ng buhay ko. Totoo ang hindi mo namamalayan from this baby infant to toddler. Oh my gosh. Ang laki mo na. I pray na mapalapit ka sa Diyos and kay Mama Mary. Ka-face mo pa si Mount Carmel. Sana ay magkaroon ka ng busilak na puso. Buong buhay namin inalaan para sa iyo. Sana Lord ay mabigay namin ng the best to our baby. Everything she needs, may we provide. Itinataas namin sa iyo ang aming pamilya, especially our birthday girl, our miracle, Amira. I love you, baby ko. Kahit na lumaki at maging dalaga ka pa. You will be forever, baby Amira Koy. Mwah!